you like being on the other side of the camera?
I love it, and you know I love it. By the way, this is a wonderful award that my son Andrew won at the college today, and I'll be taking you on a little tour of the awards assembly and some cool stuff about that. So congratulations, Andrew, for being the Carpentry Student of the Year.
Hi, thanks for coming out. Can I ask Andrew Moyer to come up here? I'm afraid of these things. And I talk very loudly because I need to talk over saws all day. This young man, can I tell him you're 18 years old? Running Start student. Graduating with his Associates in Technology next Friday. He came to us a little bit green, personal maturity and academic maturity, and he's leaving us well seasoned. For those of you who don't know our carpentry program, we learn by building a house, and we start in September. If you're planning on building a home, please don't start in September. Because it starts raining in September, and it doesn't stop. Ever. I cut class short a day this week and a day last week, because we're working on the roof, and there were high winds and lots of rain, and we needed to make sure that everyone was safe. So they deal with the rain, and they deal with the cold, and they deal with the mud, and they don't always have a smile on their face, except for Andrew. We run them pretty rough. We have high expectations academically, and like our automotive brethren, there's a lot of physical demands. They're expected to operate a shovel and a hammer and carry lots of heavy things. He always does so with a smile on his face. It goes without saying that we have a lot of talented students, and I'm glad to hear that all the instructors say that. We have a lot of talented, hardworking, motivated students, very competitive field, and so that's even more of an honor for you. So please put your hands together.